All right. You're gonna learn today.
Okay, YouTube, right now I'm on the engine of my 2001 Dodge b2500 van. Now, the two parts that I'm going to replace right now, very easy job, is the PCV valve and the crankcase breather filter. Now, basically, these are parts that people never replace. Now, on this valve cover, you can see a whole bunch of oil. You can see it. Now, this is what I'm saying. This is a very small part, but it gives you so many problems. This is a maintenance item that people never replace. And honestly, for this van, the part is under $3. So if you guys have an older car, make changing these things part of the routine. Let me explain. So the PCV valve, most people don't even pay it any mind. They don't even think about this little part. That's the PCV valve. Basically, the PCV valve, what it does is sucks the blow-by gases back into the intake, right? Now, what happens is, if the valve is not working properly, it causes all type of problems, right? So, let me tell you the kind of problems. Like, if it's stuck open, it's letting too much air in, because this is a vacuum line, so it's sucking. So if this valve is not closing when it's supposed to and it's stuck in the open position, it's going to allow too much air to circulate where it shouldn't, and at times that it shouldn't. And what happens when that does happen is that you are going to get all kind of trouble codes, like a lean condition, which basically means that your motor there's too much air, not enough fuel. And what's going to happen is you're going to think it's either the oxygen sensor, you may think it's the spark plugs, you may think you're going to throw a whole bunch of money at your car, and it could be something like this. Now, on these models, and a lot of older models, as you see, it's not an electronic part. So this itself is not going to throw a code. But you're going to get trouble codes based on on the problems that this causes, like lean condition. Also, it'll also cause engine sludge. If it's closed, you're going to get like engine sludge. You're going to get oil leaks. And when I got this van, there was almost no oil in it. And I checked it and we topped it off. But as you see, most of the oil has seemed to come out and spill all over the motor. So I may have to do valve covers in the near future. But for now, we are going to just deal with the... For now, we're just going to deal with the PCV valve. Look at that, you see? Now, on this side, we have the crankcase filter. This basically cleans the gases that are in here before it puts it back into the motor. It's cleaning, trying to take any contaminants out before it feeds it back into the motor. And this one, all right? So that's it. Now, this is a very easy job. Let me show you how easy it is. Take this. Pull it out like that. That's it. And that's it. It's off. This is a problem. This is it. This little part right here causes all these type of problems. Now, what I'm about to do before I put the new one in, I am going to clean this up a little bit, because I want to clean this oil off the top, and then I'm going to put the new one in. So let me cut you guys back on. Alright, YouTube, so it's looking a little better. Here's the new one. Here's the new one right here. See, the valve and everything is moving freely like it's supposed to. And it's just push it in place like that. And put the hose back on it. Like that. And that's it, YouTube. Replaced. Now for this side, similar. Got parting it. I'm doing everything with one hand, but this is, look at this. Now this is a filter. See how clogged up they get? It's terrible, YouTube, but people never replace these things. But we got a new one. Here it is. See the difference? See how clean it is in there? See how clean? Let me show you the old one again. See See the old one? See the crud? Alright, YouTube, let's put the new one in. Just like that. Put the hose on. That's it, YouTube. I'm done. That's all it takes. Make this part of your routine. Whenever you're doing tune-ups, whenever you're doing anything like that, make it part of your routine. I'm telling you, you will save yourself a lot of headaches trying to figure out problems that your cars are having if you just keep up with these little things. All right, YouTube? I'll catch you on the next one.